to sing behind the keyboardist. You don't say Alisoze with the keyboard.
I'll be singing tenor, okay, guys.
Yeah, let's try like soprano.
They're gonna start with soprano, then alto. I'll sing tenor. Let's go again.
Alto, yeah.
Let's go alto. You know what to do. Let's go tenor together with me. Alisoze laphel'amandla. Thank you, Jesus.
Let's try that. I don't think we'll try that. Mezzo soprano.